Hi, hello everyone. In today's session, I'm going to teach you about antibiotics. So let's get started. Antibiotics means antimicrobial microorganism that cannot seen by naked eye. So it may be antibacterial, it may be antifungal. Anti is always used for against. Okay, like if I'll say antiviral, so that drug is against virus. Antibacterial, that is against bacteria, and antifungal, that is against fungus. But one thing I want to tell you, that antiviral drug is difficult to make because we don't know biochemical pathway of virus, that how virus go and replicate in body. So this is, and because virus having RNA genetic material that can mutate at each and every stage, so that is the only reason that antiviral drug is difficult to make. So now, antibiotics, general definition, it's a kind of medicine. Okay, it's a kind of medication that destroy, that kill the bacteria or fungus that is harmful for us. Like you can say pathogen, हमने लास्ट में पढ़ा था pathogens are the disease causing agent. So जनरली एंटीबायोटिक्स जो हम बनाते हैं वो पैथोजेंस को किल करने के लिए बनाते हैं. बट if you will say, ma'am, cold, flu, cough, these viral infections can treat with antibiotics, so I will say no, completely no. तो जब हम एंटीबायोटिक्स लेते भी हैं कोल्ड कफ के अंदर, सो दैट इज जस्ट टू ईज फॉर हेडेक एंड दीज थिंग्स ओनली. बट वो वायरस पे कहीं पे भी कोई अटैक नहीं करता, नहीं कोई किलिंग नहीं हो पाती है. वो हमारी नेचुरल इम्यूनिटी है, हमारी बॉडी की इम्यूनिटी है जो उस वायरस को किल करती है. लाइक यू हैव नेचुरल इम्यूनिटी, जब भी आपको कोई डिजीज होती है तो आपका जो टेम्परेचर है बॉडी का वो हाई हो जाता है. वो टेम्परेचर रेज क्यों होता है? व्हाट इज द रीजन? बिकॉज टेम्परेचर रेज होगा तो जो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म है वो ऑटोमेटिकली हमारी बॉडी के अंदर किल हो जाएगा. देयर इज नो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अनदर कॉपी ऑफ दैट हार्मफुल माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म. सो दैट इज नेचुरल इम्यूनिटी. गॉट इट? And first antibiotic is the penicillin, and this penicillin is discovered by Alexander Fleming and is the first natural antibiotic. And it's a accidental discovery. And antibiotics that can't fight with the viral infection, and antibiotics can kill or slow the growth of bacteria. So on the basis of this, in the next slide we are going to about more about classification of antibiotics. So here two type, bacteriostatic and bactericidal. बैक्टीरियोस्टेटिक क्या करेगा कि ये जब हम लेते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जाके बैक्टीरिया के रिप्रोडक्शन को स्टॉप कर देता है. मींस देयर इज अ नो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अनदर कॉपी ऑफ बैक्टीरियाज. और बैक्टीरियोसाइडल जो है वो डायरेक्ट बैक्टीरिया को किल कर देता है, क्योंकि अगर आपकी बॉडी में कोई फॉरेन सब्सटेंस गया है, फॉरेन बैक्टीरिया, दैट इज नॉट गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ. तो फर्स्ट दैट बैक्टीरिया मेक कॉपीज टू स्प्रेड द इन्फेक्शन इन योर बॉडी. तो अगर वो कॉपीज ही ना बन पाए और अगर वो बैक्टीरिया को किल कर दिया जाए तो आपकी बॉडी के अंदर इन्फेक्शन कॉज नहीं होगा. सो यू कैन राइट two way here on the basis of mode of action, bacteriostatic and bactericidal. Sidal is always killing. यहाँ जहाँ पे भी ये word आता है sidal, that is killing. तो यहाँ बैक्टीरिया है इसके आगे, तो that you can write killing the bacteria. Okay, static है यहाँ पे, तो bacteriostatic means inhibit the formation of copies or reproduction. Now let me give you some example of bacteriostatic and bactericidal. तो जो bacteriostatic एंटीबायोटिक्स हैं वो आपको पता है कि बैक्टीरिया की ग्रोथ को स्टॉप कर देते हैं, डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन को स्टॉप कर देते हैं. सो देयर आर सम एग्जांपल, टेट्रासाइक्लिन, ओके, सल्फोनामाइड्स, स्पेक्टिनोमाइसिन, दीज आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ बैक्टीरियोस्टेटिक. एंड नाउ बैक्टीरिसाइडल, जो पेनिसिलिन मैंने आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया, पेनिसिलिन के जो डेरिवेटिव्स होंगे वो सब बैक्टीरिसाइडल के अंदर ही आते हैं. सेफेलोस्पोरिन भी बैक्टीरिसाइडल के अंदर ही आता है. एंड 99.99% देयर इज अ किलिंग ऑफ बैक्टीरिया बाय दीज ड्रग्स इनटू body. Now there is another category based on their spectrum of action. Spectrum of action में आपका रहेगा wide range और narrow range. यहाँ wide range और narrow range का मतलब क्या है कि अगर हम broad spectrum की बात करते हैं, that target many types of bacteria. Okay, that's why it's a wide range. Both types work well to treat infection, broad as well as narrow, but the difference is broad kill the many types of bacteria and narrow kill the few types of bacteria. Okay, so this is the difference between broad and narrow spectrum. Now let me give you example. आपने broad spectrum के अंदर एमोक्सिलिन एंटीबायोटिक का नाम सुना होगा, एमोक्सिलिन, ऑगमेंटिन, एजिथ्रोमाइसिन. So these are the broad spectrum, you can say that antibiotic. And if I'll say narrow spectrum, so इसके अंदर आ जाते हैं आपका सेरिसाइक्लिन, फिडेक्सोमाइसिन. These are the narrow spectrum. Now see, there is an example, and if I'll say anthrax causing bacterium, Bacillus anthracis, there is a disease anthrax. Okay, और ये बैक्टीरिया की वजह से होती है, दैट इज बैसिलस एंथ्रेसिस. अब ये बैक्टीरिया एक्चुअली होस्ट को किल नहीं करता है, वो बैक्टीरिया के अंदर से टॉक्सिन प्रोड्यूस होगा और वो टॉक्सिन जो है वो बॉडी को हार्म पहुंचाता है. तो जनरली होता क्या है, जो बैसिलस एंथ्रेसिस है वो डॉर्मेंट स्पोर्स प्रेजेंट रहते हैं in our environment. Dormant means that is not in form of active stage. Okay, so they can live in the soil as well as in generally environment में soil के अंदर ये मिलेंगे आपको. तो यहाँ पे and they will be for a long period of time, even decades. So जैसे ही ये spores एक body के अंदर जाते हैं, animals की body के अंदर जाते हैं या किसी person की body के अंदर जाते हैं, तो वहाँ उसको water और sugar और other nutrient मिलेंगे और they get activated and they turn into active growing cells. और जैसे ही एक्टिव बैक्टीरिया एक्टिव होता है वो अपनी कॉपीज बनाना स्टार्ट करेगा, मींस रिप्रोडक्शन, मल्टीप्लाई एंड स्प्रेड आउट इनटू द बॉडी, एंड देन इट प्रोड्यूसेस टॉक्सिन, poison that cause severe illness and even death. बट यहाँ एंटीबायोटिक क्या करता है, एंटीबायोटिक उस बैक्टीरिया को किल कर देगा, बट वो जो टॉक्सिन है दैट रिमेन इन द बॉडी एंड continue to cause damage. तो उसके लिए क्या करना होता है, जनरली you have to take a lot of water to flush out that toxin, yoga and other things to flush out toxin from your body. Okay, so this is all about antibiotics. Now how can disease be prevented? So I will say prevention is better than cure. And how you can prevent it? By changing your lifestyle, by changing your habits. Like nowadays smoking, alcohol, these things are very common in young group of generation, and that create lot of problem, lungs related problems, brain hemorrhage, heart attack. And see, if a person is having a lot of spicy or oily carbohydrate rich diet, that person will obese after some time, and obesity decrease fertility. So one thing is related to another. Okay, so what you have to do, you just need to change your lifestyle, you just need to eat good food, healthy food, yoga, exercise, walk, so that help to prevent from disease, that also build your immunity, that increase your immunity. And if you are having good immunity, you can easily fight with the disease, you can easily fight with the foreign particles. So you just need to make your immunity, increase your immunity. Now there are two ways to prevent from disease, general way and specific way. So general means you just need to take care of your hygiene. Okay, you just need to take care of your hygiene and prevent waterborne diseases, clean your environment, and you just need to take care, is there any standing water present nearby, you just need to clean each and everything so germs can be away from you. Okay, and specific way is the vaccine. Okay, vaccine is the artificial immunity. It may be for short period of time or it may be long period of time. That also help to fight with the disease. Now, immunization, that is artificial immunity. Okay, like you can say COVID-19 vaccine gives you immunity, and that is known as immunization, or you can say that vaccination. But immunity is not always artificial. It is natural, and it is divided into two type actually: natural and artificial. Innate, that is inborn. Okay, and one is the after birth. So if I'll say inborn immunity, in your body blood is present, right? In blood, white blood cells are present. That white blood cells help to fight with the diseases. In ear, in nose, and in our saliva, there is an enzyme lysozyme that also kill the foreign particles. So these, that is inborn immunity. Your skin also gives you immunity. It's a physical barrier, so no foreign particles can enter into your body. Okay, so you can write immunity is two type, that is innate and another one is the acquired. So innate is the physical barrier, chemical barrier, blood, and in acquired immunity, after birth, when you exposed into foreign particle or foreign particle enter into your body and your body makes antibodies against that foreign particles, so that also help to improve your immunity. Okay, that is acquired immunity. So now here, as I have said, lysozyme present in your tears, in your ears, in your nose, in saliva, and HCl. Yes, HCl is present in your stomach, and pH is 2, that is highly acidic. That also kill foreign particle if that is present in your food. तो आपकी बॉडी का एक ऐसा सिस्टम है जो आपको नेचुरली भी इम्यूनिटी प्रोवाइड करता है. Okay, and natural immunity is best than you can say artificial immunity, because when you go for artificial immunity like vaccine, or if you will take antibiotic, that have side effect as well on your body. But natural immunity की आपकी बॉडी के ऊपर कोई साइड इफेक्ट नहीं होते. हमारा जो एक कंप्लीट सिस्टम है, हमारा बॉडी सिस्टम इस तरीके से है कि सॉलिड वेस्ट के लिए यू हैव डिफरेंट सिस्टम, एंड आपका लिक्विड वेस्ट के लिए यू हैव डिफरेंट system. For liquid waste you have urinary excretory system, and for solid waste you have digestive system. So if you will improve your natural immunity, that will help you a lot. So now first here physical, chemical, and biological immunity. In physical, skin, that I have already discussed. You can see the pH of skin, gastric acid, vagina, and here IgA, that is an immunoglobulin. This IgA is immunoglobulin, and mucus, lysozyme, pepsin, these enzymes help to increase our immunity. So you just need to change your lifestyle, because we have already God gifted immunity. We have to increase that immunity, and we can easily fight with the foreign substances. Hope you like this session. Thank you so much.